Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris and I'm back with my second video. And I was thinking, oh wow, what am I gonna cook? And then it came to me. I'm gonna take these leftover hamburger patties I had from a barbecue and I'm gonna make my pepper steak. Well, it's Salisbury steak with a twist. So, first thing you wanna do, of course you're gonna have your hamburger patties and you wanna season them. I do it with the non-salt seasoning. Thank you very much. Because I'm trying to keep that low sodium going on. I do have my own oil. You want to put some oil in your cast iron skillet. Let me tell you something. Look, y'all, start going old school. Get you a good cast iron skillet. They become non-stick once you season it. I will do a video on that. But these things cook the best. Okay? So I'm going to take this patty right here because it's the thickest. And I'm going to start it cooking first. These are all just leftovers from a barbecue I had. This is a gourmet patty. It doesn't matter. They're hamburger patties, basically. That's what Salisbury steak is. You put them in there, and you cook them. So I'm going to put all 4 of these in. And cook them to their medium. Not well done, medium. Because you don't want to shrink them up. I also have 1 onion chopped up, 1/2 green pepper. All this is left over from the barbecue. Put some more of your seasonings in, because you want to season your oil too, because you're going to make your gravy out of this oil. And I can't believe it, but I actually had one of my good friends ask me, Chris, how do you make gravy? Child. Gravy. Y'all will see in just a minute. I'm gonna let these brown and then flip them over when it's time and let you see how I do the gravy. Right now, like I said, I'm just browning these, okay? Be right back. Okay, everyone, as you see, I got these nice and brown. Brown food. Tastes real good. Okay. I'm gonna take these out of here so I can make the gravy. Now you're gonna see at the bottom of this skillet all this good stuff, and you do have a lot of oil. Now you don't need quite this much oil, so you're gonna pour some of that off. Pour it off into a container that can take the heat. That's about right. Because you're going to use this grease, you're not going to throw it away. I refrigerate my grease because, after all, it did come from a meat product. So I want to keep it fresh. I'm going to let that cool down. I'm going to put it in the container it's supposed to be in just a minute. Now, take you. Oh, here's somebody coming in the door. Some flour. All-purpose flour, not a whole bunch, just enough to put in here to thicken the gravy. You're going to put that, look how, see how it does that? You're going to put that in there like you're making a roux. All my Louisiana people know what I'm talking about when I say a roux, child. Okay? A nice thick roux, but this is going to be gravy. You want to cook this flour mixture until it browns. You want to cook out that flour taste, of course. But you want to get a nice brown color on this. See how it's doing this? See what it's doing? Yeah. Ooh. When I came up with this, I said, what can I cook for a whole lot of people that won't cost a whole lot of money? And I said, I got an idea. And I came up with this. It was real simple. I'm mixing Salisbury steak with pepper steak, and it's really a really tasty change. And I got a question for everybody out there. When I was shopping today with a friend of mine, you know, some extra things, it just seems like people are getting ruder. Am I the only one? You know, pushing shopping carts into people when people are trying to back up out their parking spaces, people want to zoom in back of them. What's up with that? Let's cause an accident on purpose. I know one thing. You hit my car, I'm old school. You know what I mean? Pop the pop. That's all I got to say. Anyway, you better hope the police are there. And you better have some insurance. All right, I go off on a tangent. So now, there's another thing I want to do. I want to repeat my spices. Because you want your gravy to taste like something. It does have the drippings from the meat and all that. Salt-free seasoning. Black pepper. It does have the drippings from the meat, but you also want to add some more flavor. Parsley adds a real nice flavor to gravy. Yes, it does. Now, I'm also going to add, but I have to do this very quickly, because first, I want to get the liquid I'm going to add to this. Now, I'm going to add milk, because water seems to break it down too much. That's right. Milk, in this particular case, you can use water or beef stock, which will really be good. Now, I'm going to add my garlic to this. And the reason why I'm doing it quick is because garlic will burn. So you got to cook garlic real low temperature, low and slow, and move it around real quick like I've just done, and to prevent my garlic from burning. In my flour, I'm going to add the liquid slowly, because I don't want to curdle the milk, and I don't want to have lumps in my gravy. There's not going to be no lumps in this gravy. Uncle Chris don't do lumps. All right, there we go. Now that the gravy has started, you see what it did there? I can make it a liquid if I add more. And you're going to think, oh my God, that gravy is so light. Look, let me tell you something. It'll darken up. Let me tell you that. Now, I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator, because it's still kind of hot. I'm going to add my vegetables to this, which adds more flavor. We're going to let these cook down just a minute or two. Now look, see that? The gravy's starting to thicken up already. Okay, now that we got the veggies in here, we're going to add the meat. And just let this simmer. We're going to turn it down a little bit, low heat. Let the veggies cook. And when the veggies are tender, we're going to stir it while doing it. When the veggies are tender, it will be ready. I'm going to turn it down to low heat. And I'm going to find a top that mostly fits. You heard what I said, mostly fits. And put on top of that, just to catch the heat. I'm going to try and see if I got a better top right over here. I don't like this one. There we go, that's better. All right. So I'm going to let this cook. I say for another 10, 15 minutes at the most, okay? You just want to cook it till the veggies are tender. And you're good to go after that, okay? I have done me some mixed veggies on the side already, and I've got a baked potato in the microwave. So now you got a complete meal. How about that? Be right back. Oh, right now I'm back. This is done. Oh. Yes, yes. Look how thick the gravy got. Yes. I'm gonna plate this up. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get two. Put a little of that gravy on my potato. Let me try this. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Well, I'm gonna cook you all along. gotta show you how I do my hot pepper sauce. Oh, I got an idea. I'll show you how to make hamburger helper with chicken. Your own sauce and everything. Without all the chemicals, without all the salt. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment. Hey, I'm new at this. But this is good. I'm gonna chow down, y'all. Let's see, after this, I probably gonna take a nap. Oh, better take a walk on the bike trails. Bye-bye, y'all. Till tomorrow.